How to add admin users. In this video, we'll explore how to add admin users to ChildFriendly. Begin by navigating to the Setup section in the left-hand menu. Ensure you're in the Organization tab and under Users. Let's start with admin users. To add them, click on the Admin Users tab. In this demo center, you can see we've already added several admin users. You can add a new user by clicking the plus sign, or remove existing users by selecting the Delete option from the menu. It's essential to understand what access admin users have. On the far right, you'll see the roles of admin users and the centers they can access. To learn about each role, click the question mark icon. There are three main roles for admin users. The org admin is the super admin, having full access to settings and the entire organization. Center admins have similar access to org admins, but are limited to specific centers, and they cannot access the organization's setup module. Office staff have the most restricted access, with limitations similar to center admins, but with restricted access to financial information. To edit an existing admin, open the menu. You can update their first and last name, log in email, role, and reset their password. Admins can also reset their passwords in their profiles at any time. Depending on their role, there may be a few additional required fields. Because org and center admins can process payments, they will need to provide contact details and a birth date to comply with standard identity verification and financial security regulations. For office staff, these details are optional since they don't process payments. Selecting Office or Center Admin reveals a center field, where you can choose the centers they can access. If an org or center admin's birthday and address are missing, a warning will appear indicating that PAD and ACH payments can't be processed until this information is added. Now, let's discuss room staff. Room staff access is managed in the Staff module, but you can view room educators and their access here in the Setup as well. Beyond seeing which educators have a child-friendly account, you can also manage device security here. By default, this toggle is set to off, which restricts room staff to logging in only on devices authorized by admin. This is a crucial security feature that prevents staff from accessing sensitive child or family information on their personal devices from home. However, if you do want to grant them the flexibility to log in from any device, simply turn this toggle on. Authorizing a device is easy. An admin user just logs into ChildFriendly on the device they want to authorize. They head to their profile menu in the top right corner and authorize it. From that point on, any of the room staff can use that device to log in. Remember, unlike room staff, admin staff can log in from any device, as they aren't restricted to authorized devices.